Hello, my name's David Millard and I'm a Microsoft certified trainer from the UK. Last year my little grandson started school and so my daughter decided to return to work. Now before she started her family she was in retail management, but she wanted a job that fitted in a little bit better with school times, so she started applying for office jobs, administration, secretarial, that kind of thing. One of the questions that she was asked more than once was, can you use PowerPoint? Now, she had used Microsoft Office in the past, but a few years ago, and to be honest, she was out of practice. So she gave me a ring and came round here to my little office and we went through it. So we started off with Microsoft Word. We looked at the interface, using styles for speed, the mini toolbar and how to turn it off. We looked at the navigation pane using lists and then adding things, tables, pictures, quick parts and saving as a template. We moved on to Outlook and investigated email and the calendar, and then we went through contacts and tasks. In Microsoft Excel we looked at formulas and functions, sorting and filtering, and introduction to tables and structured referencing. And then finally in PowerPoint we looked at setting up the presentation, adding various objects, tables, charts, smart art, adding a theme, transitions and animations, and finally saving the presentation as a PowerPoint show. So the upshot was she got the job and she's still there. And that's what started me thinking, if it helped her, perhaps it would help other people. If you look on Udemy, there are lots of courses that cover specifics in Microsoft Office, but very few that cover the whole thing. And what I've done is condensed it into an essential skills course. So I hope you find that interesting and I'll look forward to welcoming you on the other side. Thanks for watching.